Hi everyone! Today we are folding an elephant together with a song that almost every child in Japan knows. This little song actually has a big message. Do you know this song? Let's sing it together. Zou-san, Zou-san, お花が長いのね。そうよ、母さんも長いのよ。ぞうさん、ぞうさん、誰が好きなの？ね、母さんが好きなのよ。Now, let's look at these words one by one. ぞうさん、ぞうさん、お花が長いのね。This means, elephant, elephant, your nose is so long. そうよ、母さんも長いのよ。The elephant answers, That's right, my mother's nose is long too. ぞうさん、ぞうさん、誰が好きなの？ Then it's asked, Elephant, elephant, who do you love? ね、母さんが好きなのよ。The elephant answers, You know, I love my mother. So, here is the message hidden inside this song. That first question, your nose is so long, actually started out as teasing. But instead of feeling ashamed, the elephant answered with pride. Because a long nose is something it shares with the mother it loves. A long nose isn't something to hide, it's part of what makes the elephant itself, and it reminds the elephant of someone it loves. I believe the poet who wrote this song wanted to tell us something simple. Even if you're different from others, that's not something to hide. It's something to be proud of. This is actually why when I taught this elephant origami in a nursery school in Japan, I always started the same way. I'd show the children the finished elephant and we'd sing this song together. Then I'd tell them what the words mean. And after that, I'd ask them a question. The elephant's nose is longer than other animals. The rabbit's ears are longer than other animals. The giraffe's neck is longer than other animals. Is that strange? I love these moments, folding paper and singing a song, and then simply thinking together with the children about what it means to be different. And there he is. What do you love most about him? If you'd like to know more about Japanese children's song or what nursery schools in Japan are like, let me know in the comments. Bye bye, またね。